Hey, pollution solutioners. Well, there's only so much I can share with you from the comfort of my own home. And what I really want to do is to show you what it actually looks like to eco-shop. So today, we're gonna start taking our shopping decisions out into the real world. All right, I need laundry soap and sponges for my kitchen and bathroom. And I've found great zero waste options for these two items with our friends at Onekeabros. So let's go visit them at the Lokahi market and I'll show you what I chose and why. Let me grab my laundry soap bag and we're off.
And we've arrived at the market. Let's go find the Onekeabros booth.
So why do I shop at Onekeabros? Because eco shopping isn't easy, and we all need local businesses that are truly dedicated to providing the best products that are not only healthy for you, but healthy for the planet too. Onekeabros really focuses on clean, natural, and non-toxic ingredients. Their products are locally sourced and made whenever possible, and if it can't be found locally, they get their products from as close to home as possible. And they even care about packaging, like what the product is shipped here in and sold to you in. So I know that when I visit them, that they've done as much of the eco investigation as they can, which makes any decision I need to make for my home and family a lot easier.
Good morning. Let me introduce Kavehi Onekea, owner of Onekeabros. It's time for another laundry refill. So this is great because the soap is made from natural, non-toxic ingredients. Kavehi really pays attention to what goes into the products she carries. It's nice to be able to trust that what I buy is safe and healthy. I mean, we've got enough to worry about. The bag she's refilling is the original bag from my first purchase. No plastic jug. Yes! I mean, I intend to get a permanent non-plastic container, but the bag hasn't worn out yet, and it's been at least a year now. The soap itself is made here in Hawaii, so the product's travel footprint is as small as we can make it. And since laundry soap is a use once kind of a thing, the eco-focus moves to the container, and we've already covered that. And with the refill option and reusable scoop, we've made 0 washing trash for a year, and that feels good. Next, we need sponges. I like the eco sponges. These are 100% loofah, which is a plant. So these are as natural and non-plastic as you can get. There's minimal manufacturing, just cutting and drying, and the recycled paper wrap is its only packaging when it's on the shelf. My house does lots of dishes, so an occasional trip through the microwave keeps bacteria down. If wrung out, it dries really quickly, and when they start to fall apart, they simply go in my home compost bin. 0 waste, which is perfect. Alrighty, that's all we needed today. Thank you to Kavehi and Onekeabros for everything you do for us and our planet. You can visit them anytime online at onekeabros.com or come on down to the Lokahi market in Kailua every Sunday from 9 to 1.
Thanks for diving in. If you like the out and about shopping, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button before you leave. Share what you've learned here forward with your family and friends, and I'll see you next time.